Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all your Toyota Tundra news and information and little ways to save some money. Like today, I'm going to show you something in my 2024 Toyota Tundra. It's not going to save you a lot of money, but it's going to save enough to make a difference. So we're in my 1794. It's time to change out the cabin air filter. If you're new to Tundra, if you're new to Toyota, Toyota suggests that you change your cabin air filter in your Toyota every 15,000 miles. Now, from what I read online, if you go in for an oil change and you add that cabin air filter service at the service center, it could add $60 to $95 on your service tab. Today, I'm going to show you how cheap the part is and how it takes under 5 minutes to do it yourself at home. So a nice way to save a little money. And I'm going to take it a step further because I actually have a part cabin air filter that you change one time and have it forever. So if you're looking for the Toyota OEM cabin air filter for your Toyota Tundra, on the parts website from Toyota, it costs around $30. If you look around the internet, you can actually find it cheaper elsewhere, somewhere around 19, 20, 23 bucks. There is a way to find it just a little bit cheaper. But today, what I did, I went to the K&N website. We all know K&N from their air intakes and some of the other options they have. And I bought myself the K&N cabin air filter, and this was around $43, so a little bit more expensive than the OEM one. But this one, you replace once and you have it for the life of your vehicle. At the end of the video, I will read some points and details from their website. But all you have to do is once a year, take this thing out and wash it, and that's it. So $43 spent once instead of $20 to $30 spent once a year. Right? Or if you take it in for service, you could pay up to $90 to have them do it. So super simple part to install, which I'm going to show you momentarily in case you don't know. And a way to save even more money is something like a K&N where you put it in once and you just wash it once a year. You never have to replace it. Let's get to the install part. So this is the inside of the glove box when I pulled out all the stuff in there and the shelf that goes here. And you will see an area with a door in the back. So all we have to do is open up this door and you will see the filter, slide it out, put the new one in, done deal. Not sure how good you'll be able to see it, but definitely some stuff in there. It's pretty dirty. So I guess it is good to change once a year. Doesn't hurt. Not too expensive, especially if you go the K&N route. Change it once and you're good to go. Can you see all the leaves and stuff in there? It's very sunny. I apologize. But yeah, caught a lot of stuff. Let's take a look at the K&N before we install. All right, old filter, new K&N. One thing to note, there was a plastic frame around this to help it fit into the area where you're going to put it. So I took it off that and put it on this. There's really nothing to it. It's simply taking off the frame and putting it on the new one. As you could see, it shows up. All right, some details on the K&N cabin air filter for your new generation Toyota Tundra. The price on their website right now is $42.39, and the SKU number is VF2080 if you're interested. Some product details for you. Increased airflow improves heating, cooling efficiency, helps control odors, treated to help capture contaminants that cause odors. Dirty disposable cabin filters can cause a musty smell in your car's interior. Save money. Washable product that lasts. Easy to install. Pre-treated and ready to drop into your factory airbox. Typically installs in less than 5 minutes with no tools required. Washable and reusable. Engineered to last for the life of your vehicle. Eco-friendly. Using a washable, reusable product reduces landfill waste from disposable filters. More than 200 million disposable air filters end up in landfills each year. No hassle warranty. No hassle lifetime limited warranty. Designed for long-lasting performance and quality. So I actually went online to buy the Toyota OEM air filter just to throw it in the truck because it's about 15,000 miles for me. It's been over a year. But then I thought, let me check K&N, and it was cool to be able to find something that I don't have to change. Just every year I'll go check it, wash it, put it back in, done deal. So if you're looking to save a little bit of money, a few things we talked about in this video. Number one, it's pretty simple as you saw. You just open up the door in the back of your glove box, take the old one out, put the new one in, and that saves you some labor costs at the dealerships. And if you want to save even more money, the K&N route seems like a good way to go here for about, I don't know, $12 to $15 more, and then that's the only money you will spend on this air filter instead of replacing it every year or every 15,000 miles. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you already do the cabin air filter replacements yourself? Do you do it at service? I want to hear from you, and I also want to hear from people that already have a K&N cabin air filter. Let me know if it's a good product to purchase. Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok at TundraDude34, TundraDude34 @gmail.com. You guys have a great day. Be safe and be well.